Hi, now I am going to show you how to do Vlookup without using Vlookup. That is alternative to Vlookup. Getting Vlookup result, exact result of Vlookup without using the Vlookup function. Okay, let's go to Excel. Okay, I have these values. I have students and their midterm test marks. Okay, what I'm going to do is I will show you first the VLOOKUP value of I'm going to do VLOOKUP and get the mark of Alan in the midterm test. How to do that? Use VLOOKUP, lookup of VLOOKUP of who lookup value is Alan. So Alan in what array? I'm going to use table array. Yes, this is the array, and column index number. What I want to return back is the second. Okay, sorry, this array is full array. Okay, and I want to return back a column index number. Okay, which value I want to return back, which is the second column value, the respective value in the second column, which is 2. Range of lookup is exact match. So the value is 89. Okay, this is the way for Alan. Okay, the VLOOKUP value. Now I am going to arrive the same midterm test mark of Alan without using VLOOKUP. How to do that? First I need to know what is the position of Alan in these student names. Okay, so how to do that? I take the function. I'm going to use the function match of what is the value, lookup value I want to see, that which is Alan. Lookup array, this is the array, and match type, I need an exact match. Okay, this is the position in this vertical array. Okay, third, now I am going to see what is the third value in the column 2. How to do that? Index function, index of array, this is the array. What is the row number you want to see, which is the position of Alan. See 89. This one I will replace. Now you see 89. So this is the way you can replace a VLOOKUP function into a index and match function combination. Okay, so for example, now I am going to change Alan to Robert, whether it returns with the 40 or not. Let's see. 40. Okay, use index and match functions to replace VLOOKUP function. Okay, nice. These two functions will help you to find out the exact value of VLOOKUP. But the thing is that two functions need to be used for a place of VLOOKUP. Okay, this question is mostly on interview questions of Excel. It will help you to the examiner to identify and know that how much deeper values you know in Excel. Okay, deeper knowledge you have it in Excel. Okay, thank you.